Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Structural Tech. This is engineer Afsha Khan Khalil and today we will be learning another method of how to automatically add serial number to a given data without manually typing. So as you can see I have a given data frame and what we will just do, this is another method, part 2 of the first video which I have uploaded. So please go and watch that video as well. So what you will do, you will just type 1 here, um, select this cell, go to home tab, go to the group icon of editing, go to fill option, select series, click columns, let this step value be 1, and as my data I want 10 columns, so I will type 10. So 10 serial numbers will be added in just milliseconds. So look how easy it is. So if you want more informative videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. Thank you.